the UN Top Court will hold preliminary hearings about whether to order an immediate suspension of Israel's military actions. At issue is whether Israel's war against Hamas in Gaza has amounted to genocide, or has at least laid the groundwork for genocide. As evidence, South Africa points to the mass displacement of 85% of the population of the Gaza Strip, and their severe lack of humanitarian necessities such as food, medicine, and clean water. South Africa also relies heavily on the statements of Israeli ministers and officials that have portrayed Palestinians as subhuman to be collectively punished, as well as calls for Palestinians to be removed from Gaza and replaced with Israeli settlers. Israel, however, has called South Africa's accusations blood libel. Israel maintains that its war with Hamas does not approach the boundaries of genocide. Instead, Israel says it is working to protect Palestinian civilians by warning them ahead of strikes, creating safe corridors for people to flee violence, and facilitating humanitarian aid.
Israel has no intention of permanently occupying Gaza or displacing its civilian population. Israel is fighting Hamas terrorists, not the Palestinian population. And we are doing so in full compliance with international law.
If the International Court of Justice decides to compel Israel to halt its military operations in Gaza, that would be legally binding under international law. However, the ICJ has no means of enforcing its rulings. They are sometimes completely ignored, as evidenced by its demand that Russia stop its invasion of Ukraine in 2022.